Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Excel Tutorials. Today we will discuss about text functions. In this with the help of text functions, we can split the data from one cell to different cells. In my previous video, I already explained how to combine the data from different cells. Now we will see how to split the data from one cell to different cells. This is Viru Vemula. You are watching my channel Excel Tutorials. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Now in these test functions we can learn, today we will learn these functions: length function, left function, mid function, right function and combination of right and right with length. See, length function is nothing but, what is the length of this particular data? So is equal to len open bracket text. What is the text? So A3 is the text and close the bracket. Now we have a 13 characters in this particular cell. Control copy. So in one cell it is having 14 characters and another one is 16, like that. So left, with the use of left function we can take we can take first three characters what is there in that particular cell. So is equal to left. So text, what is the text? A3 is the text. Next, number of characters. How many characters we want? First three characters we want. So close the bracket and enter. See, in these first three characters M or dot. So these three characters will come. If you select four characters will come. So now we want 3. Mid function. Uh, First we will see right function in this RIGHT, right function. It is same vice versa to left. So it is in that particular cell, so the left function, what is there in that left function, first three character it is coming. So in that right function, so we can get left side whatever is there, left 4. So last 4 letters we can get. Now mid function. So in this, with the use of mid function, we can extract the data from what is in between letters. Also we can get the data. Is equal to mid and text. We have to first select the text. So from which character it should start. So now we will pull out this pin code number 520002. So now from fourth letter onwards. So how many letters we should come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 letters should come. Now see, this pin code came. Now, so right here when you observe this first last 4 letters only coming in right formula, but in especially this name Supriya is there. This last, in this Supriya, last 4 letters only it is coming. So with the help of length and right formula, we can get the data. So first we have to select, first we have to know how many characters in that particular cell. So total 13 is there. In that 13, how many letters we have to exclude? So first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9, after 9 letters, whatever is there, that should come. Okay, minus 9. So how many? So last four letters, it is coming, last four letters it is coming, last last four letters, this is also last four letters, and it will come last five letters, last seven letters. Now we will apply right formula. Right, open bracket, and select the cell. So this is the range. We already defined the range, number, character. Close the bracket and enter. Now the full name, full length of the name, it will come. So in this way we can split the data. Now I already explained concatenate in my previous video that you can find in cards. So here also we can use that formula, concatenate. If you concatenate, it will combine. Ampersand, and select the name, and dash, ampersand, here also ampersand. Now select the pin code. So in this way we can segregate the data. So hope this video will helpful for you. Thanks for your visit, and thanks for watching. Thank you very much.